Innovative door. I'm going to show you the 6200 Hormann. This is an all vinyl door, cottage with top glass. Okay, the design, got this little break here in the middle, all vinyl. Nice design, nice glass. Okay, the inside looks a little different. I'll take you around over here real quick. Got a Hormann door opener on there too. Silent drive, of course, 7500. And you got all the panels get struts. This one's vinyl back, nylon ball wheel, torsion spring, and here we go. Oh, what's up here? Is it plugged in?
Yeah.
Smooth as glass. 6200, all vinyl, Hormann garage door opener, Hormann door. For all your needs, call Innovative 271-9343. Thanks for watching our 6200 video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.